Hello! In this series we are going to build a simple to-do application. In this chapter we will implement the Room database. Why are we using Room? Because Room is one of the easiest libraries for creating a relational database in Android applications. First, we need to create a database. We inherit the database from Room database and also define a DAO variable. Next, we need to define the entities and specify the database version. Now let's move on how we want to interact with the database. So let's create a DAO. The DAO must be an interface where we define functions to perform database operations. I have implemented simple operations that our app will use. Insert a to-do, delete, get all the to-dos, get a single to-do by its ID. To retrieve all the to-dos, we need to write a query that fetches all the records from the database. The return value should be use coroutines because we want the UI to react whenever the user insert a new to-do. For retrieving a single to-do by ID, we need to extend previous method by adding a where condition to search through the database and return the selected item. To make our code more maintainable and testable, we should avoid interacting directly with the DAO. Instead, we create a repository that acts as an intermediary between the view model and the DAO. In this repository, we define all the functions we just wrote, and we also follow the best practices by mapping the entity to the domain model. This ensures that if we change the entity structure, the UI remains unaffected because it interacts with a different model.